Feelings of inadequacy is probably something that a lot of people struggle with today. The world is so fast-paced, and so people, I think, sometimes maybe feel like they're just taken for granted or that they don't matter.
You have a lot of peer pressure going on throughout your teenage years and early 20s, right? It's really about, do you want to choose to obey God or do you want to choose to obey other gods? Just the engagement from the students, other students, my peers, and to the Institute teacher as well. It really just asking questions that aren't usually asked in church settings. It really strengthens my testimony, and I'm sure it strengthens other people's as well.
So you go to church on Sunday, you take the sacrament, kind of are nourished spiritually. And so having that kind of uplifting atmosphere midweek, I think, helps tide me over until sacrament again on the following Sunday.
Oh, I have a question to ask that maybe certain individuals and families might not know, right? And so it's like, okay, I can ask my Institute teacher that because they're knowledgeable on those subjects.
I can do all sorts of things, just come hang out here, and the classes are awesome.
Sunday isn't my only time to have spiritual renewal. It can always be throughout the week.
I definitely feel the Spirit every time that I go there, and I think in our world today, it's hard to find a place where you can feel the Spirit when you go there every time.
And it's going to be a wonderful experience. And I've already gotten so many friends, and I've had so many wonderful experiences and really been able to feel the Spirit.